Look at that death candle, bro. Guys, I think we're going bullish today. Just something inside of me is telling me to go long. Time to catch that reversal. Yo, that's crazy, dog. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. We just reached previous support. Will it hold? I don't know. So I'm not going to do any charting for the Dow Jones. We're going to leave it as is because we are at previous support. All right, so let me turn this off. Bloody good morning. Hell yeah, bro. Bloody good morning. So let's turn that off. Let's go to the 1 hour and take a look. So we have multiple supports right here. Let me highlight this right here. I'm going to have that line just in case because it looks like price was hitting down here a bit. You know, if it finds some type of support. What else? As far as trend lines, there is none. It broke. Let's turn back. My indicators, 1 hour, 200 is right there where support's at. Let's go to the 30-minute, 200. We are past that. Broke super trend. 15-minute, way past that. Super trend is red. Okay. So there's that for the Dow Jones. And we're going to look at the Russell 2000. Looks like we instantly got rejected. Well, not instantly, but we got rejected from since yesterday. It could not pass that level. And it looks like we broke this trend line. This upwarding trend line. And we broke a little support area right here. Probably going to take that off. So let's go back to the 1 hour and see if we can maybe find something on the 1 hour. Some type of support maybe where price action can catch it. Maybe like right here. We're going to put a level right there. We're going to put a level right there. See if it can catch that support. Put another level right here just in case because it looks like price action hit it right here and got rejected. Then was doing some choppy shit here and then here. So I'll highlight that as well. Let's turn back the indicators and we are crossing the 1 hour, 200. Let's come back to the 30 minutes. We are below that. Red, 15 minutes, red. Okay. So, all right. So I already know what to do. This is going to be the exact same setup that I play every single, well, not every single time. Well, yeah, every single time. This exact same setup every single time. Big candle. Wait for the candle to come back to the MA. Align indicators on the 5-minute. Align indicators on the 2-minute. Wait for the consolidation. Enter back on strength to go on the second leg down. Same textbook play every single time. Every single time. So we're going to wait here. Let's put the Dow Jones. Put the Dow Jones right here side by side. That's the 2-minute. Let's come back to the 5. And we're just going to wait. We have both of them here. The Dow Jones is already finding support in that area. Look at that ginormous wick of buying pressure in the area that I drew yesterday. Master of levels is who I am. Master of levels. Look at that ginormous wick right here. Let's see if it bounces back and comes up. We just wait. And this right here, we just broke past the trend line. And now we're just playing cat and mouse on who comes back to my EMA first. Is it going to be the Russell or is it going to be the Dow Jones? We have to wait. So let's go and take a look at the economic calendar because I do not know what news is today. So we have, goddamn, bro, holy shit. So we have 9:45 news. We have 10 a.m. news. Wow. This is crazy. I would have started streaming. I would have started streaming past like 10 a.m. Not have to wait 20 minutes. Shits, bro. Because I would not want to get caught up in data. Hell no, bro. I would not want to get caught up in data. So let me do this. Let's come back here. Let's do some extra charting just in case, because I have a lot of time. You know, it's 9:41, 9:45. The data candle releases, and obviously we don't trade the data candle. Then we have to wait for the craziness of the data candle. So I have plenty of time. So let's reconfirm the thesis of where price might be going. Okay, so it broke super trend on the 1 hour. This super trend is already invalid. We don't need it anymore. It broke trend line pivoting up. It could easily get bought back up and keep on respecting it because we're playing this candle. So let's hide that and let's go to the 30-minute and see if we can find any possible indications of something else, something that I might miss because I have time. You know, I might as well hyper focus on the time that I have on what I could possibly be missing. So I know price pivoted here from that trend line holding up. Close to it, price came here, about popped up. So this area, so let's come to the 15-minute. Let's come to the 15-minute and zoom in on the 15-minute and see how it looks on the 15-minute. Whoops. So on the 15-minute, it's still holding. It broke past it, found a little bit support because of that wick right there. The wick will tell you a lot of stories. This wick will tell you something. And right here, this wick will tell you something. And these right here will tell you something that we're holding on to it. So, okay. So it looks like the fast charting that I did is somewhat being realized and working. Let's come back to the current time today. And let's look at price. And price is coming close to that level down here. Okay. By the way, this is bubbly. It's just gas, bro. Pineapple coconut, sparkling water. Amazing. It substitutes soda. So let's come back to the Dow Jones. Wait, fuck. Let me click the arrow, bro. So massive support being found right here on the Dow Jones, and it's coming back up. Okay. I don't think I need to do charting for the Dow Jones. Look at that giant wick being bought up. So it looks like it's finding some sort of support right here on that area that I drew yesterday. So now all we have to do is wait for price action to come back to the 5-minute EMAs and take it in the 2-minute EMAs, taking the same exact play every single time over and over and over and over and over and over, becoming a master at my craft on that one play. So all we have to do is align right here, bearish, micro MACD bearish, macro MACD bearish, RSI is below 50. We're trading away from the EMAs. So micro MACD is on top. That green print means that it crossed right here. Macro MACD, which is a bigger one. So it's a small MACD and big MACD. Cross right here. Both of them are coming on down. RSI is severely oversold. We come to the 2-minute. Very oversold. Pineapple coconut, what brand? I need that. It's bubbly. Bubbly sparkling water. Bubbly sparkling water. It's really good. It substitutes soda. It has the same feeling as soda, and I like sparkling water. It tastes good to me. Some people say it tastes. Okay, I guess I like pennies. I guess I like pennies. Okay, so let's come back to here. And switch that to the Russell. All right, going to look for it. Nice, bro. I mean, you can find it at Walmart, bro. It's in the sports drink section at Walmart, so you'll find it there. Okay, so it looks like the Russell has met the support that I drew. Let's see if it bounces. Dow Jones popped up a little bit on the support. Let's see if it bounces. If not, we have another support area right here. One thing I do want to do, let me set up my weekly pivots. Okay, so I have a pivot down here close to that. Another pivot that we just crossed. Okay, let's look at the pivots here. Look at that. There is a weekly pivot that I didn't even know about right here, aligning with my support area. So I can turn this off. I don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore. Okay, let's go back to Dow Jones. Let's go back to Russell. Okay. All right, so I think I'm comfortable with the charting that I did so far. I think I did the best I possibly could charting. I got a map on my chart on what price might be doing. You like sparkling water too? Nice, bro. There's not that many people that like sparkling water. People say it tastes like shit, but I mean it substitutes soda, so that's why I like it. That's why I like it. Okay. Give me a second here and get up my screen recorder so I can record my screen. Okay. So while we're waiting, let's take a look. We're gonna add alert here. We're gonna add alert right here. 2 alerts. Let's take a look at what MES is doing. Wow. MES is dying. So let's see if there's any pivot levels. Multiple weekly pivot levels. Wow. And these pivot levels, they're based off the week chart. Every time price action holds on a pivot, marks it as a level and bounces off, there's multiple at this area. There's a bottom one down here. That's why you can see every wick hitting like the staircase, but downwards on the pivots. So it's coming on down. Same thing. The whole market's red. Let's take a look at MNQ and the pivot areas. Literally, past that, past that, all the way down here. But that's crazy for a drop like that. Okay. All right. So it's a waiting game. I never trade market open. So, oh wait, we just had data 5 minutes ago. This candle, same shit. I guess we got data in 10 more minutes. So I would really hate if a position takes place around 10 a.m. because then I won't be able to take it. I would fucking hate that shit. 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing job openings. It's 3 types of data. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to wait, dog. Even if a setup presents itself like at 9:57, bro, I don't even think it's worth it to even take it because 9:45 we had data and didn't do nothing. It was just one. 10 a.m. we have 3 data drops. That is ridiculous, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. So my alert down. Put my alert right there. So price is definitely holding right here on that support level on the Dow Jones. It's definitely holding. It still hasn't broke past it to keep continuing down. And the Russell lost some steam right here at this support area. Excuse me. It's losing some steam in that support area. So it's valid. It's a valid support area. So there's one thing that I'm working on that eventually I want to show you guys because I have one move and that move is just the EMA bounce. I know how to perform that EMA bounce every single time. That's my money shot for me. I'm gonna hit that all day. It's literally the analogy of performing one kick for 1,000 days straight. So there's times that price action continues to go down, even when like the two, say for example, because I have to align the 5 minute and the 2 minute charts simultaneously. They both have to be read, and both indicators have to be read on both time frames. But there are instances on the 2 minute where it goes bearish and then it goes down, and then the 5 minute looks bullish, or the 5 minutes bullish and the 2 minutes bearish. There's two contradicting time frames. Usually, that would tell you that we're entering chop from what I've seen. But there is times that in those conflicting time frames, price hits those EMAs on the bounce and continues going down, and I miss that move because I have rules set up that this and this, X and Y, have to be aligning together to take a position. So I've been working on how do I enter a position um, when both of my time frames are conflicting. And so far, I've come up with using the Fibonacci retracement that I use. I want to show you guys, but it looks like Dow Jones might do something. It might pop back up. Um, I'm calling it the golden ratio EMA bounce because you know price will retrace onto the golden pocket of 618, 687, 768 on the Fibonacci retracement. It would retrace up to there, then immediately bounce back down. While the two time frames have contradicting stories, but they still keeps going. And I missed that move, and I'm like, damn, how the fuck do I keep missing this move? So I'm working on it on to take a play off of the golden ratio to continue back down. So that way I have a variation, two variations of the same play of the EMA bounce. So that way I'm more fluid in trading and I have a little bit more opportunities and leeway to do it. I think I have a screenshot of it that I can show you guys. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that alert right there. 9:55. So okay, I think I have time. Um, take that out. So I think I have it here in my folder. I have at least one. I have at least um one screenshot. We'll have 3 screenshots: the 2, 5, and the 15 minute. Give me a second here. So I'll save that. Price is still not doing nothing. All right, hold on, bear with me. Give me a second. I need to crop these pictures so you guys can see what's price doing. Price is still not doing nothing. Okay. We got 4 minutes till data. So okay. I think I got it. But I don't have the Fibonacci retracement tool on it. Damn it. So whatever. I'll show you guys this, but I don't have I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about when you have two contradicting time frames, but price keeps continuing down. And I can't do nothing about it because it doesn't align. It doesn't align what I'm doing. So let's come right here. So for example, like on the Russell on the 5 minute, look how I have here. Let me read it. Here's an example of AMA balance with the conflicting stories on the 5, 15, and 2 minute. The 15 minute is bearish, the 5 minute MACD flip green, but the 2 minute MACD switch red. Maybe use 5 minute RSI as a basis for this play along with the 2 minute MACDs along with the 15 minute indicators. I don't know. I'm just rambling. But you know, I'm trying to find the plots and key factors and how to play this out. I still need to test it. I'm probably gonna test it today. Yeah, I do a lot of shit in the day. So for example, on the 5 minute, so we have obviously the trend is to the downside. So price will come back to the EMAs and then continue down further. But we have our indicators still green. It switched to green on the 5 minute. You come on the 2 minute. On the 2 minute, they flip to red. So I would enter on the 2 minute and the move still continues down. So the 5 minute, right here, it's bullish, but it continues down, even though it's bullish. On the 2 minute, it's bearish and it continues down. But on the 15 minute, it's still very bearish. So what I did on this, I went back to this time frame and I plotted a Fibonacci retracement from that swing high to the swing low. And this area right here, that's where the 3 Fibonacci areas where I call the golden ratio, the 618, 678, and 786, those retracements, price will hit it and come back down, even though we have conflicting stories on multiple time frames. And I went back yesterday and went back to find more examples of this, and it kept coming true. I want more examples because I think I have something for me to make another variation of the EMA bounce that I play. So I'll let you guys know what my observations are. Not yet. I still don't want to do it yet. Or if I'm ballsy enough, I could fucking do it now if the opportunity presents itself. Okay, so it looks like my levels held. Dude, I'm fucking so fired at making levels, bro. Bring back my charts up. Okay. All right, so 10 a.m. data, finally. So it looks like price action held on Dow Jones on my support area. Oh, nice pop. And it looks like that the Russell held on my support area. Bro, I'm a fucking master at these plotting support and resistance. If I can incorporate like the knowledge of my brain of drawing out support and resistance like the chart for make it to like for it to do that itself, that would be wonderful. But I don't even know how to even do that. Like how do I tell the chart to go back to the 30 minute, to the 1 hour, to the 15 minute? Look at where price action reacts in multiple places, bro. That's just difficult. What goes on in my brain is it's hard to compute like in a code. Even making this chart was already difficult. Okay, so 10 a.m., 10:01, price reaction, everything going crazy. My alert got hit on the Dow Jones. Looks like price came to the 5 minute right here and right here. Both of them are doing the same thing, bro. I don't even know which one to take, and I don't even think I want to trade it yet. Not yet. So let's come and look at the 2 minute. That's up. Let's look at the 2 minute here. Conflicting story. Okay. Let's try something out. Can we make a live example today? Looks like I think we fucking can. I think we can. Let me go on the Russell right here. Swing high, swing low. Ooh, my God. Okay. It looks like this example might play out. The one that I just showed you. Holy shit. What's up, Chris? Good morning. Dude, the example that I just told you, it might fucking play out right now live. Holy shit. That's crazy, bro. So this is the golden ratio that I was telling you about. The 618, 707, 786. Those are the three. Well, and the 0.5. But this 0.5 and all of these, this is like how much price action will pull back. I think I'm gonna stick with the Dow Jones right now. So let's go to the 2 minute right here, and this is green. This cross right here. Okay, we have that crossing, and this is about to cross. So let's keep watching it and see if it rejects off it. But we're sandwiched between a support level and those golden ratios. So this might be a really hard example to do. I don't know. I gotta see it. So come back to the 5. We're still very bearish on the 5. Come back to the 2. Come back to the 2. We're pivoting up. We broke that 9 EMA. I don't know. We'll see what's up. Price needs to come back like right over here in order for me to do that. If it rejects off of here, if it keeps going down right now, I'm not gonna take it because the small MACD, the micro MACD, it's bullish right here. It crossed and it's coming on up. If it rejects right here, I'm not gonna take that. I can't take it. It has to pull back like around here and then reject hard. Then I can possibly take it. So I can't do it now. So let's come back to the Russell. Bill, what's going on? What's going on? What the hell happened to the Russell? Hate when chart does that. So the Russell's bullish. It needs to do like a deep pullback. That shit's bouncing up, dude. Holy shit. Keep watching both. Let's go to the Dow Jones right here. It's popping up, popping up. There's some pretty tricky price action. I have to yeah, I might have to like just focus on one. So the Russell's popping up. Let's look at the 5 minute and see what it's doing. It's coming back to the EMA, like it hit the EMAs. It's still very bearish. Yeah, this price action is extremely tricky. Very, very tricky. Both of them look identical, exactly the same. The Russell is at an area of support. The Dow Jones is at an area of support. It popped up, it's coming down, it's coming down. This is the exact same fucking play. And I can't take this position. I can't take it because this crossed. It needs to be red. So I can't take that. If it keeps coming down and continues down, I just have to let it go. Because I'm not gonna fucking break my rules. I'm not. I'm fucking not. Double click on the price scale to return to normal. I'll do that next time. Okay, so it looks like we're rejecting down. Okay, let me take this off because I don't think I need it anymore. Because it looks like price is rejecting right now. I don't know, I'll just leave it right now. So I can't take a position on either of these plays. These are dropping and I can't take it because micro MACD, they're both green. So I can't do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. I refuse to break my rules. I'll just wait for this shit to turn red and possibly take a position, but I have to reanalyze the position. I have to reanalyze the position because price action always wants to come back to the EMA. So the farther I am from the EMA, the more risk I have on the table, and I don't want to. I want to have that much risk on the table. I'd rather keep my risk really tight. So if I don't take a trade, I'm completely fine with that. I'm fucking good with that shit, bro. I would just won't take a trade. I just won't take a trade. So still green, still hasn't crossed, still coming down. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Because even if we do end up taking a position, I'm gonna take this off right here and take that off right here. Okay. Because so let me flip to the Dow Jones here. So even if on the Dow Jones this switches back to red right here on this EMA on this MACD, I don't think I would do it because look how far I am from the 9 EMA. I put my risk like usually like around like the 20 or like here or like the 50 MA to keep tight risk if I take a position close to the 9 EMA. But since I'm so far, I'm fucking not gonna do that shit, dog. I'm not. I'm putting too much risk on the table, and I can risk it bouncing back on me. Um, Plus we're at an area of support. Yeah, it might break it. I don't know, bro. We'll see. It's not worth trading right now. It's like it comes to a point where it's like you really have to think about your hard-earned money that you're putting at risk. I refuse to put my hard-earned money at risk. I mean, I've been burned so much in trading. I refuse to do it. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Dude, how do you double click on the price scale? It's not working, bro. It's not working, bro. It's not working. So here on the Russell, that shit's coming on down and it's still green. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean that price will continue going down, even though I have two contradicting price charts. So swing high, swing low. It couldn't hit the golden ratio. It rejected off the 35 retracement level and continued down. That's not enough of a pullback for me. Right now, it's still red. We come on the 2-minute, and it's still green. So I don't want to take it. I'm not gonna do it, bro. I'm not gonna do it. I'd rather miss the trade, bro. Because I've seen many times where if this still hasn't crossed back down, yeah, it'll come here, but eventually make its way up because it's slowly coming up. Even though we have RSI way below its moving average, I just need my shit to align, bro. I just need it to align, bro. Follow the plan. Follow the plan. Last week Monday I got burned because I didn't follow my plan. And then of course I fixed that, and throughout the week I ended up all green. Recovering back from my Monday that I had that was bad because why? I didn't follow my plan. I learned my lesson. I'm gonna follow my plan. Chris, click the A at the bottom of the price scale, or you reset the chart. Click the A. Let me take a look. Let's go to the Dow Jones. Let's go to the A. It doesn't work. Click the A button on the price scale, or you can click and reset the chart. Reset the chart. It's not working, bro. It's not working. I just resetted the chart and I clicked A and it's not working for me. It's so strange. Anyways. So, oh, look at the Dow Jones. Now it's becoming bearish. Okay. I think I can work with that. Maybe. Let me see. There's an area of support right here. Broke past support a bit. There's an area of support. Now it's getting caught back up. Let me do right here. Might be an area right here. Might be an area right here. All right, let's stick to the Dow Jones right here. So we're coming on up. It's bearish. I might take a position here. It's bearish. So it's coming to the 5-minute. It's still very bearish. Let's come to the 15-minute. It's still very bearish. Let's come back to the 2-minute. So I'm going to take a position right now on the Dow Jones, and let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We're gonna have our stop a little bit above that wick, just close around the 20 MA. We're gonna shoot our shot, bro. We're gonna shoot our shot. Shoot or shoot. I think I gave it enough breathing room. We're all red. 5 minutes red. Wait, that's a 2-minute. I mean, that's the 1-minute. So okay, the 90 MA is right there. Oh, looks like I might have to. Let me put. I'll put. Do I want to leave? Do I want to leave it there? Let me see. Do I want to leave it there? Let me see. Let me put her like a little bit or close to the 20 MA. Like right there. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what happens, bro. I just shot my shot, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. It's coming to the 2-minute here. It's still red. Okay, we're watching that right now. Record my screen. All right, so I mean, I had to wait for my indicators to come back to red to enter a position. Price rejected off the EMAs. I did make a late entry. Why? Because I had to wait for my plan for it to turn red. The 2-minute is red. The 5-minute is red. We're aligning both time frames, and we're going to see if my plan works. I'm playing the EMA bounce on this. Let's see if we can break the low, the daily low that we have here. Then we have a negative 27 extension level right here, which I probably am going to take that at the negative 27 extension level right here. We're going to see how it plays out. Probably going to move my stop down a little bit more. Right there. One of your indicators that is looking for is really low. You're in M2K short. Nice, bro. I'm in the Dow Jones short. Twinsies, one of your indicators that is looking for is really low. Yeah, these are my indicators. I don't know what you're talking about right here, but yeah, we have it crossed and it's coming on down. So price is still coming down hard, and these tell me what these two do. We have a hard bounce up. So I think I gave it a wide enough stop. I did enter very late because I had to wait for my plan. And it is what it is, bro. I have to wait for my plan. If it stops me out, well, I followed my plan. I waited for my plan. Good lucky on your M2K short. I'm right here with you going short. So it looks like the MACD crossed right here. We'll see what's up. I still have confidence in the play. Okay. We're still coming down. Let's see if we can die. Okay. So I'm going to move my stop loss at the top of that wick at 42,344. Okay. 42,344. Honestly, I might take it here at this negative 27 level. I'm being real with you, because I know that that's probably a level right there. There's a level down there. Let's see what we got. I think we can make it down there, bro. I think we can make it down there. Come on. Keep going down, baby. Come on. Damn. Oh my God. Holy shit, bro. Whoa. What's up with that? Is there data right now or what? Holy shit. That was a hard reaction. God damn, bro. Oh my God. What's it gonna do? I know we broke support. Is it just retesting? Cause god damn, that shit's crazy, bro. Holy shit. Look at that big ass wick. I don't know. We'll see what happens in this candle. God, volatility's crazy right now, bro. Holy shit. I think we can do it though. Come on. No news. That was violent, bro. Jesus, bro. This shit's springing back up like crazy right now. Damn. Hit my stop loss. Wow, that was violent. Oh my god. Okay, I got stopped out. Jesus, bro. What a violent candle. Oh my god. Okay, so we're coming back up. That sucks ass, bro. Okay. All right, so first loss of the day. I got one more trade. Let's look at M2K. Violent holding on that support. Let's stick to the Dow Jones because it's the same shit. So definitely coming back up. We'll see what happens here. Because it looks like it might have found the bottom. It looks like it might have found the bottom. So let's see what we got. Let's come back to the 5-minute. We're just rocking it up. Indicators are still very, 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 very down. Okay. So RSI is above 50. So now the 2-minute's looking green, except that we're under the 200. So we have 3 confluences that were going green on the 2-minute. Wow, that was violent, bro. Holy shit. Should knock the socks out of me. Even though I'm not wearing socks right now. Looks like it found some support. Damn. Should have moved down my stop loss a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see what happens here. If we're going counter trend, I mean, I have to wait for the 5-minute, which is gonna be fucking forever, dude. So we broke past the 20 MA. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Breaking that 9, we have to break 20. We have to break that pivot level. Take that off. Okay. Now we're back to the waiting game. We're back to the waiting game. Let's see what happens here. Let's take a look at the Russell. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. We're just gonna stick right here on the Dow Jones. Wow. So the bigger MACD is about to cross. It's bullish. Well, it did cross. Blue money bag means that it printed, that it crossed. It's green. This one, it's green. still coming up. I don't know if I want to go short again. I don't. I don't know. Let's look at the 5-minute. What are you doing, 5-minute? RSI above its moving average, but it's still below 50. It hit the 90 EMA, but it's rejecting a bit. Right here, still strong trend to the downside. I don't know, bro. It's very volatile. We're gonna keep on waiting. It's coming to the 1-minute. Green, green. Got rejected off the 50 MA and super trend. I don't know. We're gonna keep on waiting. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Whoops. What's MNQ doing? Ah, why'd I do that? It looks fucked up. I don't know why my chart does that. I'm gonna have to figure out why it does that. I won't do that shit now though. I'll do it later. Jesus, bro. Okay. We're back below the 90 MA. I don't want to trade that, bro. I don't. So hard rejection down. Hard rejection down. It rejected off the golden ratio, but it's not valid for me. Still, it's gonna be a waiting game. It's gonna be a waiting game. My indicators have to flip back red, but damn, bro. $10:30. Yeah, by 11 o'clock, I'll probably be done. I don't know, bro. I think we found the bottom. We keep moving up. On the MACD, we keep moving up. And RSI is slowly coming up. Slowly. Look at that moving average. Slowly coming up. So if I take a position, it might have to be counter. It might have to be a counter trend position. But there has to be multiple indications if I want to trade it or not. That shit's down on the 15. Still very down. It's getting rejected off the support level. When you break the support, it becomes resistance. That's why we're seeing the reaction on that candle. Let me see something here. Whoops. Yeah, this is going to be a very lengthy process, dude. So obviously we rejected off the 9, but as I said, look at this choppiness that's going on because this keeps coming up. 2 conflicting time frames will indicate chop on your ass. So the 5-minute, it's coming down, but the 2-minute, it's coming up. And that's why we're having huge bounce up, huge bounce down, huge bounce up, huge bounce down. It's a perfect way to indicate choppiness, especially since we're at an area of resistance. So price is like, I don't know what the fuck to do. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this support area right here is possibly the bottom. We're still coming up. Look at that big candle up, but there was a big candle down. It's 2 conflicting time frames. We're still coming up right here. Still coming up. RSI slowly coming up. Okay. In order for me to go counter trends, price action has to break the 50 MA on the 2-minute. Also, I would love it to break super trend too and possibly target the 200. On the 5-minute, it has to break that 20 MA. Candle open above it. But then we have the 50 MA and super trend right there. Smarter play would be from here to here. That's how much real estate you have. I could take a scalp from here to here. From here to super trend. Now give me 70 ticks. We'll see what happens here. Damn, don't you hate when you get violent fucking candles like stomping your ass out? Those are the worst feelings ever. It's like literally it feels like you're getting sucker punched by the market. It's like, oh, think your take profits there? Bitch, I'm gonna take it. Another thing, look at the 5-minute. It's about to cross. and this is thinning out. And the RSI slowly coming up, slowly but surely coming up. And we're disrespecting that 90 MA. We just keep hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it. I'm telling you, this is how you can identify price action going the other way. Conflicting time frames. Look at that massive candle. Let's come back to the 5. I mean, you do something here. So I know we have super trend there, and that's a level. Okay. On the 5-minute. So the 5-minute, that candle has to break above that 20 MA. Then we have to break the 50 MA on the 2-minute. So then I have to make sure I don't revenge trade it. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Make sure you don't revenge trade. I mean, I'm way past that aspect. Hopefully. I hope I'm past that, but I think I'm past that. So like I was saying. So I have to wait for a candle to break here. Then we have super trend, which is going to react as a level of resistance. If we have a candle breaking above here, while simultaneously breaking a candle above the 5-minute 20 MA, and I take a position around here, price comes here, I can protect my entry and come at break even. But then have two options. I can enter around here, exit at super trend, and then probably get like half of my losses back. Or I can shoot to the 200 EMA, get the money back, and be in profit. Or option 3, enter here. When it reaches super trend, go up to break even. And then I come up with nothing. I have 3 options that I can do. 3 options that I can do. So we come back to the 5-minute. Looks like we're coming up. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. 90 EMAs right there. 20 EMAs over here. Let's come back to the 5-minute. So we have 23 seconds. If it can break above the 20 EMA, wonderful. I probably will take a position. So let's go back to the 2-minute. If it breaks the 50 MA, I can take a position. So it broke the 50. And I'm going to take a position. And we're going to put our stop loss. We're going to put our stop loss at the 20 MA. And we can be green. I mean, get some of the money back at super trend. Or we can go balls to the wall. Or we can go balls to the wall and get my money back and be green for the day. I have 2 options. We're very strong. Right here, MACD separation, RSI above 50. Indicators are bullish. I can get half the money back. Option 4, flip a coin, heads or short, tails you're long, YOLO. So we're gonna play it safe, and we're gonna get half of my money back. So at 42,447, here, we're gonna get half the money back. So let's see if we can hit super trend level. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that, bro. Come on, bro. I stated out my plan, what I want to do. Break the 50 MA, take a position at the 50 MA, target super trend, because I can get half the money back, or I can go to break even, or I can go balls to the wall. So, I got half my money back. So, I'm gonna be so pissed if this shit just goes balls to the wall. So, I got half the money back. Okay. Um, I'm at a small loss of $40. So I got half my money back. I'm good. I'm good. So let me see what happens here. I could end the day with a very small loss and continue on tomorrow, or that's two trades. Or I can gamble more, wait till super trend turns green, wait for this to pull back here. Here's another option. So price action can stay right here, make a pullback around here while super trend turns green. Then I can enter on the pullback and possibly come up for seconds. That's another option that I can do. It's another option that I can do. But thank God I took the money at super trend. Thank God. So, can I end the day with a very small loss? Or can I come back for seconds? Let's go to the 5-minute here. So RSI above 50. MACD is thinning out. MACD cross. Fuck that. You know what? We're gonna end the day at a very small loss of $40. I'm fucking okay with that. I could probably wait and go for seconds. We come to the 2-minute here. Pulling on back. If super trend can turn green here, and this can stay right there, simultaneously holding on the 50 MA, I can go in for seconds. Theoretically. But do I want to? No. Think I would rather end my day at a very small loss. Yeah. We're going to leave it at that. So, you watched me lost. Over here. Fucking ginormous candle up. Got majority of all my money back on the way up. So, a win's a win, bro. A win's a win. All right, I'm out of here, bro. I need to stay like fucking disciplined, like Mr. Miyagi. Look at that shit. I'm telling you, bro. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. I'm telling you. It's gonna come back up, and it's gonna keep going, bro. I'm fucking telling you right now, bro. I can take a position right here and be green. But I don't want to, bro. I want to stay fucking disciplined, bro. I need to control. Oh, that little squirrel in the back of my mind, like, oh, take another position. No, fuck you. I need to stay strong. All right, bro. I'm out of here, dude. You guys have a nice trading day. Peace.